Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the L circuit. So this is an AC circuit where attached an inductor in the circuit like this. This is a coil whose inductance is L and voltage at the coil is VL, and this is the voltage of the AC circuit. So using KVL for this closed loop, the net EMF will be 0, where VL is equal to minus L di upon dt. So putting this value in this equation first, so V plus minus L di upon dt is equal to 0, or V equals to L di upon dt. Simply we can write this L di upon dt equals to Vm sin omega t. Here the value of V is Vm sin omega t. Okay, so di upon dt is equal to Vm upon L sin omega t, or we can also write it is di is equal to this, and integrate both sides. So integral di is equal to I equals to Vm by L, and integral of sin omega t dt. So it is equal to Vm upon L minus cos omega t upon omega. Okay, so I is equal to Vm upon omega L, and it is equal to cos omega t is equal to sin omega t minus pi by 2. Okay, so it can also written as sin minus pi by 2 minus omega t, sin minus theta minus sin theta, sin pi by 2 minus omega t, and it can written as cos omega t. So we can also write this sin, अंदर माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, तो ओमेगा टी माइनस पाई बाई 2 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. सो ये इक्वेशन आएगी. ओके, देखते हैं. ये आया I is equals to Vm upon omega L sin ओमेगा टी माइनस पाई बाई 2. इट मीन्स ये इक्वेशन जो है शो कर रही है, अगर हम AC की इक्वेशन से कंपैरिजन करें करंट से, सो I इक्वल टू आई नॉट साइन आई एम साइन ओमेगा टी माइनस 5. सो हियर phase is pi by 2 and that is minus means current lag behind pi by 2 in the phase from the voltage. यानी वोल्टेज से जो करंट होगी 90 डिग्री पीछे रहेगी, लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. ओके, सो ऑन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ बोथ इक्वेशन, Im is equals to Vm upon omega L, and it is current is equals to voltage upon resistance. So here resistance of the inductor is denoted by XL, and this is noted as inductive reactance, and this is also a resistance of the coil. So on the comparison, XL is equal to omega L, or we can also write 2 pi f into L. Okay, so this is the inductive reactance, and simply it is resistance, its unit is ohm. So voltage of the coil equals to I into XL. In this way we can write this voltage at the coil. Okay, this is the inductive reactance, and this is the equation of the current. Okay, for whenever an inductor attached in the AC circuit. So we can draw its curve like करंट इज लेगिंग बिहाइंड, मीन्स करंट क्या है, पीछे है। कितना पीछे है, 90 डिग्री फेज में पीछे रहेगी। तो जब 90 डिग्री फेज में पीछे है तो इसका फेजर डायग्राम जो होगा कुछ इस तरीके से होगा। फेजर डायग्राम, ये वोल्टेज है, ये वोल्टेज की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है। तो करंट 90 डिग्री लेग बिहाइंड, मीन्स इसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू जहाँ से है वहाँ से करंट लेगिंग बिहाइंड in this way. This will be the maximum value of current Im. So this is the phasor diagram for the L circuit or whenever an inductor attached in the AC circuit. Okay, so this is the diagram, phasor diagram, and its power will be, average power is equals to voltage into current, where V equals to Vm sin omega t and I equals to Im sin omega t minus phi. Okay, and in this case phi is equals to pi by 2. So power is equals to Vm sin omega t, Im sin omega t minus phi. So we can write it Vm Im sin omega t, और इसको sin a माइनस बी से ओपन कर दीजिए। तो sin a cos b minus cos a sin b and multiply it in both terms. So it is equal to Vm Im sin square omega t cos phi minus sin omega t cos omega t sin phi, and here multiplied and divided by 2 for making the formula, and this is equals to Vm Im 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 and cos phi minus sin 2 omega t sin phi by 2. So average value of cos 2 omega t and sin 2 omega t is 0. So we can also write this Vm Im 1 minus 0 upon 2 cos phi minus 0. So it is equals to Vm Im cos phi upon 2, and 2 can written as like root 2 root 2. Okay, so this is the average power, and it is also written as P bar is equals to Vrms into Irms into cos of phi. Okay, this is the power factor where cos phi, sorry, this is average power and cos phi is equals to power factor, and we will discuss about the power factor in the further cases when RL circuit and RC circuit. So this is the power in L circuit. Okay, so this is average power and cos phi is the power factor.